what I celebrate here at Cappuccino is called reimagined world food or reimagined world cuisine. I've kind of given a twist on the look of how our cuisine is, and the whole idea is to take world cuisine to the world. Our cuisine always had flavors of great flavors, great textures, but then we wanted to make it look beautiful. There are very interesting dishes like uh, the hay smoked mackerel, which we serve in a very dramatic way. Then there is a very simple ingredient which is the lal bird, lal saag, or what we Goa say tapri bhaji. We've done a spin on the spanakopita with that. Again, one of my personal favorites. And then in the main course options, we've got prawn, which says prawns to drank the ferry, so which is quite a quirky little dish. For me, Calcutta is a nice, quiet. I would not say quiet in terms of the hustle and bustle, but quiet in terms of the mellowness of the language, the cuisine, the culture. I kind of love it. It just brings back, very humble kind of flavors to the mind. Calcutta cuisine again is not very loud and about it. It's very mellow. The flavor is also quite mellow, so relates to my cuisine as well. Music, football, cuisine. There are so many differences, different things like fish that you guys, the Bengalis love, we love. Use of coconut milk, and a lot of things which are in common.